Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a FlyDelta account. So first we're going to go to our FlyDelta app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. So next we're going to click on Join SkyMiles since we don't have any account. So first we're going to insert our username and create a password for it. Then after we insert the password, we're going to click on Continue. Then here, you're going to insert your personal information, your first name, your middle name, your last name, your date of birth, so that's your gender. Then you're going to click on Continue when you finish it up. Then here, you're going to insert your contact information, your phone number, your email address. Then again, you're going to click on Continue. Then you're going to insert your mailing address, your state, your city, your postal code, as well as your address line. So for city, I chose Sioux Falls. For state, I chose South Dakota. Then insert your postal code and click on Submit after ticking on the box. So you guys could skip this process for later. You guys can click on Skip or Send verification now as well. It's your option. So as you can see, we've opened our FlyDelta account. So that's how you do it. It's an easy tutorial. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.